How is marital property divided in equitable distribution states? Breaking news for anyone navigating divorce. The question on many minds today is, how is marital property divided in equitable distribution states? If you are facing a divorce or separation, understanding this topic is vital. Just yesterday, discussions around equitable distribution gained traction as more people seek clarity on their rights and responsibilities. In states that follow equitable distribution rules, marital property is divided based on fairness rather than an automatic equal split. This means the court considers various factors to decide what is a fair division of assets and debts accumulated during the marriage. However, the division does not have to be exactly 50% for each spouse. First, let's define marital property. This includes property and earnings acquired during the marriage. Separate property, which is owned before marriage or received as a gift or inheritance, typically remains with the original owner. Next, it is important to understand that the court aims to divide property fairly. This may result in an unequal split depending on the specific circumstances of the marriage. Factors considered by the court often include each spouse's financial contributions, the length of the marriage, and future financial needs. In some cases, a judge may requiring one spouse to use separate property to balance the division and achieve fairness. Additionally, debts incurred during the marriage are divided equitably under the same principles as assets. Couples also have the option to agree on property division themselves, often with the help of mediation. If they cannot agree, the court will decide based on state laws. For example, Illinois applies equitable distribution by looking at each spouse's contribution to the marriage and other relevant factors to divide marital property fairly but not necessarily equally. Texas, although a community property state, allows for equitable considerations such as caregiving responsibilities or health issues to influence the division. This shows how fairness plays a role even in different legal frameworks. Unlike community property states, where marital assets are generally split 50% for each spouse, equitable distribution states provide flexibility to tailor the division to the unique circumstances of each marriage and divorce case. As discussions around divorce and property division continue to evolve, staying informed is essential. Understanding how equitable distribution works can help you navigate this challenging process more effectively.